My name is Paul Kruger. I'm the commander of Atlantic Fire and Rescue. As Luiso said, we're an NGO, so we're not government, we don't work for the government. We're a non-profit organization. So we are here today to introduce our program, which is Volunteer Community Firefighters. We donate fire extinguishers, but we also donate our training. Atlantic Fire and Rescue would like to hand over 30 fire extinguishers, 9 kg DCP fire extinguishers, as well as 10 first aid kits, as well as a 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗄 to be used by the community in cases of emergency. And we are donating 30 fire extinguishers today, 9 kg, as well as 16 first aid kits. We will now hand over 40 fire extinguishers. We want to hand over 30 fire extinguishers. We will now hand over 40 fire extinguishers. But we also donate our training. So we're going to teach you guys today how to use a fire extinguisher, when to use a fire extinguisher. And then we also donate our support. So if the fire extinguishers are being used and they're empty, you could report to us, we come back, we replace them, we take the empty ones, we refill them.